In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding pauses and breaks effectively in a voiceover script. Before we get started, if you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Your support inspires us to continue delivering high-quality content. Adding pauses in voiceover helps improve clarity, allow information to sink in, and create a natural rhythm that enhances audience engagement and understanding. Otherwise, no matter how good the voice is, the narration would sound flat and robotic. So, let's dive into the process. Firstly, let's take a look at our voiceover example.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs. Now, if we want to insert a pause after checking, before 11, here's how we can do it. Simply insert 1 to 3 dashes, followed by a space.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs. Hear that subtle pause? It adds a natural flow to the delivery. Now, let's say we want to create another break after hi, right before we. We'll add 3 dashes.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs. Notice the pause? It enhances the clarity and emphasis on each part of the sentence. For a longer break, you can add 2 more dashes, totaling 5, then a space. This extended pause creates a more significant separation between the 2 parts of the sentence, ensuring each element stands out distinctly. Let's listen to the final result to see if you like it or not.
Hi, we are checking Elevenlabs.
As you can hear, the pauses and breaks add a professional touch to the voiceover, enhancing its effectiveness in delivering your message. So, that's it for the day. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Visit MediaMagnetGuide.com to discover a wealth of tutorials and resources across various subjects.